Sa kabila ng kaguluhan, from Mindanao, Visayas to Luzon, ang sabi ni John Vic Remulla, Secretary John Vic Remulla, mas maganda pa rin ang trust rating ng police or PNP, trust rating and performance this administration compare sa Duterte administration. Tingnan nyo to.
Compared to the 6 years ago and now, the trust rating of the policemen went from 61% to 79-80%. Because they don't terrorize the communities anymore.
Di ko alam kung saan niya kinuha yung data niya na mas mataas yung performance ratings ng PNP ngayon compare kay Duterte admin. Kasi ito yung nakuha ko kay Marites ChatGPT na AI. Tingnan nyo to. Yan. So, it's totally different dun sa sinasabi niya. Sabi nga ng data, mas maganda yung trust rating ng PNP and performance during Duterte's time. Ewan ko sino na nagsasabi na totoo, either si Secretary John Vic Remulla or si ChatGPT na coming from World Wide Web. I don't know. But let me know what you guys think. Siguro mas maganda, pero parang iba kasi sinasabi ng mga news everyday. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. For now, cheers, bye!